Welcome back to Smart FM Makassar 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, still with BPEC. Okay, I would like to check your spirit, guys. BPEC?
Wow,
Wow!
bright and breezy.
Oh my god, very happy to you. Anyway, I would like to ask you for the second questions. I will start from. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, Miss. Oh yeah. Okay. We talk about recap. Of course, many things, many side, bad things, happiness, and everything. What about the bad experience in your recap 2021? Do you have a?
Okay, so talking about some hard times, I probably, got it in almost through,
Mm-hmm.
such
Mm-hmm.
a tough year as well about last year. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's not the matter of some hard times,
Mm-hmm.
but of course, if we still go through it,
Mm-hmm.
we still glad about it. But talking about some hard times, as long as I can remember that, because working on scriptsy is really
Okay.
tough as well. So yeah, that's my first hard time
Uh-huh.
actually,
Uh-huh.
like during 4 or 5 months
Uh-huh.
working on it, and
Mm-hmm.
then I need to move to new house as well this year, the last year.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So it's full time as well because I need to, meet a new environment,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and it's quite far from the capital,
Mm-hmm.
actually. So the access is quite difficult for
Mm-hmm.
me because I was new. That I,
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
was new, and but now I think I get used to it.
I mean,
Everything.
what about
So it's
the
not a
other?
matter.
What about the other things
Mm.
that maybe you get lost your money on the street, or maybe your heart is break, or what else?
Mm. Yeah, thankful that
Okay.
I never experienced it actually last year. Hope this year will not as well.
Maybe someone is betrayed you, or
Ah.
you get sick, your
Oh,
body
okay.
illness in your.
Okay, so probably about some like friends circle,
Mm-hmm.
like because I've already graduated, I
Mm-hmm.
lost many friends
Mm-hmm.
that I only could meet at university, but now I cannot meet them anymore because yeah, they continue their lives as well. They're working. I'm working as well. So
Mm-hmm.
probably lost some friends is a hard times
Welcome to
during.
the real world.
Yeah, welcome to the real world. After graduate, yeah, I think we will lost most
Okay.
of our friends,
Nice.
especially at our school, yeah, or our
Yeah.
university.
Yeah, skip description is hard.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Ichal?
Okay,
Do you have a bad things that you got? I mean, your
mm,
experience.
maybe just what I say,
Mhm.
the last thing that my uncle is passed away, like my second father is passed
Mhm.
away, so it's like really a big hit for me to thinking that back, and maybe yeah, the same as Sister Oya say, I'm
Mhm.
still like doing my scriptsy right
Mhm.
now, so it's really make me like, wow, my head is want to blow up. Yes, my mental health is like crippling down. It's so like it's so hard, especially like when I'm doing my research because there's so much like people that ghosting me. My informant is ghosting me. My lecturer is ghosting me. They
Okay.
online but don't don't replaying my chat. It's like what should I do?
Uh,
So it's quite hard things, and maybe for friends I'm like losing
well,
some friends.
what about your body health? Did you got
Ah.
sick or illness maybe during 2021?
Actually, 2021 is my like the best health
Oh.
that I get because
The best immune?
yes, because normally every year I got typhus.
Oh.
I got typhus, and this year that I remembering right now that this year's yeah I don't get typhus. I don't get many thing because start from 2018 I get typhus every year, and this year is like the best year of my health. Yeah, maybe just
What
like,
about psychology? Like, is someone make you disappointed during 2021, or maybe betray you or break your heart or whatever?
Mm, in a romantic way, there is are there is some people that I meet that I think as because I'm a youngster and dating apps. There are
I
so much dating
see.
apps in this world.
Okay.
I just want to trying it some. So I'm meeting new people, thinking like, okay, this maybe could work, but they ghosting me also. So this year is so much.
working.
Yeah, it's not
Uh-huh.
just working. So yeah, this year maybe so much ghosting for me.
Oh,
yeah.
ghosting.
Yeah,
So you
ghosting.
got ghosting, many
Yeah.
ghosting.
Many ghosting, so much
Many
ghosting. So,
ghosting.
yeah. I am like give up whatever happening.
I get the point. Okay, thank you, Mr. Icha. What about you, Yusril? Mr. Yusril?
Yeah, my bad experience last year is
Mhm.
same of our brother,
Yeah.
but it's different because if our brother, his uncle was dead.
Oh,
But,
I'm sorry to hear that.
Last year, it's my grandma.
Oh.
Yeah.
What month?
What?
What month?
Uh, November.
Now, oh.
November.
Still,
The bad news is, she is not my real grandma. I mean, she is the
mother.
sister of my grandma.
A grandma.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she was like my mom, cause when my mom went to my father place in
Mhm.
Palopo,
Mhm.
yeah, my grandma always be my second mother.
Mhm.
She always gave me like food or
Mhm.
take care of me if I was sick, and yeah, something like that. And the most bad thing, because I'm not in there. I was not in
Mhm.
there when
Mhm.
she was dead. And a day before she dead, she always asked my mom that when your son back. Many times.
Oh my God.
Even I'm not the real grandson, but it's more than her grandson.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
It's very deep.
Yeah.
Deeper.
And that made my
How can you make cry now?
that made my mom annoying sometimes, because she always ask my mom
Okay.
the same question,
Mhm.
when your son back, and tomorrow I never say sorry, apologize to my grandma, and she just go when.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah, that's
Speechless to
the thing.
hear that. You know,
And-
it's about hard.
And after that, after 2 weeks of her death,
Mhm.
I always dream about her.
Yeah.
She always come in my dream,
Oh really?
like she's still alive. And
Mm.
and after I woke up,
You know, in bahasa terbayang-bayang, something like that.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I just said to my mom that I always dream about my grandma.
Okay. What about your physic side? I mean, did you got a sick or illness or something like that during 2021?
If like illness, just flu, I think.
Oh,
Yeah. No. I mean, usually not corona.
no kidding.
Not COVID.
What about maybe incident like when you ride a motorcycle, you fall in love, not fall in love, fall in, and yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when a day before we
Mhm.
go to jungle camp.
You
know-
one day before.
Yeah, a day before.
Uh-huh.
And
You got an incident.
yeah,
Accident.
when I go to multimedia,
Mhm.
I don't know where is multimedia, and I like around
You got a lost.
circling in
You got lost?
Unismo.
Uh-huh.
And when I cross, cause I know
Uh-huh.
it, I cross, car crushed me.
Mhm.
Like I got crushed
Mhm.
with the car, but not really bad, cause I still stable. But the driver
Mhm.
screamed to me. Oh,
Oh my God. Oh yeah.
yeah, just it.
Okay. Anyway, okay. I want to move to the next question. My next question is maybe I still keep the other question. Okay. My question is did you visit what kind of place did you visit, guys, during 2021? And you had to say safe in your social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and something like that. Maybe start from Mr. Icha. What kind of place or what place did you visit and you upload to social media and you are very excited and very enjoyed about it?
I actually visiting like just as I say, I'm there's an event from this DIC, so
Mhm.
I'm go to Takalar, Sinjai, and Bulukumba.
Mhm.
Yes, that's three places, and that's happening in like 1 week.
Uh-huh.
So it's like
That place like a tourist destination place.
I don't go to the I don't like going out that much in 2021 because I'm still afraid of Corona.
Oh,
And so
okay.
I don't really going that much. I'm just like if there's an event then I
Mhm.
go,
Mhm,
and yeah, maybe that's the farthest that I go in
Mhm.
only that three place. But because the time is only 1 week, so it's
Mhm.
feel like really how you say in Indonesia, in Indonesia we say greget begitu, because
Ah.
it's so fast paced, like today we comes,
Okay.
tomorrow we will go, and
Okay.
etc.
What did you do there in three places?
In that places that I'm there's like an workshop
Mhm.
actually, because I'm become one of the how you say, yes, one of the speaker, because my basic is in university. I'm joining a journalist community, journalist organization, so they calling me to helping speaking about journalism.
Ah.
achievement as well.
Uh, Maybe, but yeah, it's a small achievement, I think.
Yeah. Okay. What about you, Yusril? What kind of places you visited? You visit
Yeah, if you
during 2021?
yeah, if you ask me that what kind of place that I was visited and I uploaded on social media,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, actually I'm kind of a person that never post anything in social media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But only try to describe
Yeah.
in our imagine.
Yeah, but I ever got assignment
Hmm?
English for tourism,
Oh,
and
where?
I mean in my campus,
Oh, in your
Yeah.
campus. Uh-huh.
English for tourism, and
Uh-huh.
we have to looking for a place they never exposed before.
Mm-hmm.
So I go to there is a place in my hometown called Karawa Waterfall.
Did
And-
you really go there?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah,
When?
and Salopi Beach, and we have to take a video and
Mhm.
edit it to be like perfect destination. Like everyone will, when someone
Mhm.
see the video,
Mhm.
they will interest with the.
When that
thing.
moment? I mean, like month or date?
It's about October, I guess.
October.
October
Oh,
2021.
October.
Yeah,
So that is include also like project, right?
yeah, it's kind of project, but small project.
A small project. Okay. What about you? Oh yeah.
Okay. So talking about social media, I really relate with him. I never, post on something as well because it's
Uh-huh.
not important. It's not really matter to
Okay.
post wherever
Mhm.
you wanna go. But of course, it's depend on the person. But
Mhm.
me, I'm not the kind of person. Just keep it in my memory. Talking about some places, just remember I was Bulukumba. I was
Mhm.
visiting Bulukumba, at, if I'm not mistaken, at June,
Mhm.
or yeah, I was visiting it with my friends before we totally never meet anymore after we graduate.
Where's the location?
At Bara Beach and
Bulukumba.
Ampalarang, yes.
Bulukumba Regency.
We visited almost all of
uh-huh.
the destination there. So
That's
it-
your dream? Like Layangan Putus?
it's my dream, not her. Yeah, I see.
Uh-huh.
It's viral as well. Yeah, it's my dream
Uh-huh.
always to visit beautiful places, especially at our region.
Mhm.
Yeah, so we don't need to visit other country actually because we
Yeah.
have more wonderful things.
Yeah.
Even at our city.
Uh-huh.
So
Indonesia is a wonderland. Yeah,
Truly.
we are unbeatable actually. In the
right.
world. We are the richest cultures in the world and very, very beautiful. But what about the other place that you visit
Mm,
during 2021? Try
okay.
hard to remember.
I was trying hard to remember, but all the things that I do, just join with you guys at BPC activities. We went to Malino, previous activities as well.
Okay, before you
And-
continue
Okay.
your statement and your conversation, well, smart listener, we will be right back after this. Stay tuned.
Smart Up Your Life